Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 40 how to turn off the comment box on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the application itself called GRIDS, make sure that you are signed onto your account, have posted videos and photos, and now we can click the photo. Scroll to the bottom, we see comments, go to the three dots on the right hand top corner of the comment box, click on this where it says turn off the commenting, click this, and now the commenting has been removed. If I go back to my profile, refresh the page, go back to the post, as we can now see the comments are no longer available. Go to Safari, go to instagram.com/your username, go to the photo that we turned off the comments, click on the photo now. The comment box is no longer available. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.